Hey guys, welcome to our skill of number recognition. I am using a regular Retro Uno deck here. You are welcome to use a regular deck of cards that has Jack, King, Queen, Jokers, any of that, but I'm going to be using Uno because I like that the numbers are super big in the card, and we will go over that in a second. So as I was saying, the numbers are bigger, the letters are bigger. Here's an example. The number is huge here. Okay, so you can see in the middle of that versus regular cards. But what I do like about regular cards is that you count how many are in each. I do not have a deck of cards at my house. That's why I am using the Uno cards, and I am using the resources I have at home. This week I want to focus on number recognition. And I want to focus on number recognition because I feel like sometimes we get caught up in just counting from 1 to 10, counting from 1 to 50, 1 to 100 or 120, and we forget, okay, we need to be able to recognize those numbers randomly. So we are going to start by doing just some basic number recognition, one number at a time. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. We pick up our card and we ask our student, what is this number? And if they say 2, we're like, yay, good job. And we move on to the next one. We pick up another card. What is this number? 7, good job. And another thing you can add, I just thought about this, is you can ask what color this is. What color is that number 7? And they will say blue. So not only are you getting your numbers, you're also getting your colors as well. Let's see if this is a different one. Oh, what's that number? Number 2. What's that color? Red. So that is one way that you can do number identification with single digit numbers. What's this number? 3. Good job. What's that color? Red. Let's see if we can pull up a different one. Here's a different color and number. This is number 1, and the color is green. This is number 7, and the color is green. So that's one way you can do number recognition with just the cards that have the numbers. So you'd have to pull out all these other cards. Now I do have these other cards here for a reason. And that's because you can make up your own rules with them. So I have mine all laid out. I have my draw 4, my wild, my skip, my reverse, and my draw 2. And here's how I'm going to use them. Keep in mind that you can use them any way that you would like. So let's say, for example, I have the number, and this is number 6, because see, the line is underneath, so we know that's not 9, that is a 6. And you can ask the color, that is blue. And you can choose whichever card you would like to go with our number 6. So for example, if I wanted to choose a draw 2 with number 6, I would use that as what is 6 plus 2. And they could use manipulatives and add 2 to 6. So they could say 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Or you can say count 2 more from 6. So they would say 6 and then count 7, 8, 2 more in their head. Another way you can use this, let's flip that over so there's no confusion, is to use a reverse. So what I like about this is you can have your child think, okay, what is the number that comes before the number 6? And it helps them think about that, and they're like, okay, so what comes before 6? And even if they have to count from 1, if they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, the number before 6 was 5. So that would help them with that skill. So in some ways, you're still including that counting piece. Okay, here's my next one. I'm going to pull the skip. So there's a lot of ways you can use the skip. You can skip count by 6. You can skip count by 2s to get to 6. So you can say, okay, skip count by 2s to get to 6. 2, 4, 6. You can also use this as whatever you would like as far as spelling the word. So I like to look at that S and go, okay, spelling, we are going to spell this number 6. So let's spell 6 together, and you can have a whiteboard or you can just spell it out loud. S-I-X. And that is how you spell the number 6. And that's the rule I would use for skip. Moving on to the wild. I like to think for this wild, you can do whatever you would like with that. You can tell your child to count 3 after 6, count 4 after 6, or go before 6. Really, you can use this for anything. You can even add another number in, so you can say, okay, if I put that 6 and that 5 together, and you can write the 6 and the 5 together on the board, what is that number? 65. So that's another way that you can do that. All right, let's pull our last one, which is draw 4, and it says what it means. So you are going to be adding 4 to 6, and it also helps them see the number 4 spelled out for them, F-O-U-R, and you can go over that with them as well. So let's add 4 to 6. Ready? 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10. Did we add 4 to 6? Yes, we did. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So that's another way that you can do that. And don't forget that all members of the household can play if they would like. It's a really cool game for everybody. Also keep in mind that it's okay if you would like to just follow along with my videos. I'm going to do a few more with the single number recognition, and then we'll move on to the double number recognition just for today. Okay, so I'm continuing to do single number recognition. What is this number? This number is 5. Good job. What color is the number 5? If you said blue, you are correct. The color is blue, the number is 5. What is this number? What is this color? Good job. The number is 7, the color is green. What is this number? What is this color? Good job. The number is 3. The color is blue. What is this number? What is this color? Good job. The number is 5. The color is yellow. The number is 3. The color is blue. Okay, we've done that one. I'm trying to get you guys some different ones. Ooh, this is a good one. What's that number? The number is 0. The color is green. What is this number? What is this color? The number is 1. The color is yellow. What is this number? What is this color? The number is 4. The color is yellow. What is this number? What is this color? The number is 9. The color is green. Good job. What is this number? What is this color? The number is 8. The color is blue. Okay, we'll do one more with single digits. What is this number? What is this color? The number is 3. The color is yellow. Good job, everybody. That was our single number recognition. Let's move on to our double number recognition. And when I say double number, I mean 2 numbers put together to make that one number. So it is a 2-digit number. Here's our first 2. All right, so we have this. What's this? A 9. Good job. Ooh, and another 9. Ooh, already starting off with a huge number here. So we're gonna combine those together. Okay. What is that number? This is in the tens place, remember? This is in the ones place. So we have 9 tens and 9 ones. Our number is 99. Everybody say 99. Good job. Here's our next numbers. We've got a 1, and it's yellow. And oh, wow, 2 doubles. I'm not making this up. I'm just drawing out of the deck. Here we go. 2 ones together. So our 2-digit number here is 11. We've got 1 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. Okay. First number is 3. Next number is a 7. Let's put those together, and our number is, there are 3 tens, 7 ones, 37. Let's do one more 2-digit number. So we've got our first one, which is 8. That'll go in the tens place. And our next one is 2, and these happen to be the same color of green. So this is a 2-digit number. Remember, you can also write this on a whiteboard too, so you don't have to worry about the line in between. This is just one way you can do it. Our number is 82. 82. That is it for our number recognition for today. Please stay tuned for tomorrow. We are going to continue our number recognition throughout the whole week. I will have new videos with new cards every single time. So tune in for those each time. Thank you guys. Good job.